Welcome back to today's video. Part 3 of Undertale. Ball. So, we're gonna be doing the papyrus date, I guess. I don't know, it's a bit weird, I guess. Like, dating a skeleton is just wild. Okay, hello. Alright. What? Okay. What is that room, Papyroo? What's this room? Oh. I guess. I guess so. Wait, the sound's actually pretty good, I'm gonna be honest. The sea. Okay. Whoa. Okay, I guess. Why is there a dog? Oh, shoot. Tension. This is a song that I mostly hear it in this is a song I hear mostly every meme video. Or a POV video. Not every POV video, but yeah. What's your secret? Cool dude? Maybe? Wait, get the... Oh! What the present? spaghetti? Oh. Ah. What? It's fine. Oh. What the? Why is the spaghetti in the head? That's my thing. That's like when I like. Why is the spaghetti in the head? Okay, goodbye. Okay. We got a new one, guys. What's in the kitchen? Wait, what the? Alright, let's go! Time to go to waterfall. I'm gonna save my progress again. Determination. I like it. What the rock? Oh, what's here? What? Is that? Oh, that's undone. What? Alright, let's go. What? Oh. But I only moved like 3 steps, dude. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I think I may be dead, dude. Okay, never mind. Okay, maybe not, I guess. Vanish. Alright. What? What? Who are you? Yeah, I guess. What? Okay, but. Ooh, I like this song. The song is actually pretty good, I guess. What's this? Wait. What? What? Oh! So I gotta pick up these and throw them. Oh! Thanks for the path, you lily plants. Oh! Aaron! Act. Flex. Oh, I'm juking him. Oh, yeah. Flex, I guess. Twice. Aaron. Okay. What? I don't even like, oh, another one, I guess. What? Hold on. Okay. Gotta put them here. I honestly have no idea what to do here. Do I maybe have to like... Oh, wait. Yeah, that's wrong. See, what's over here? Hey, how do I get here? I'm going over there, I guess. I honestly have no idea what to do. Like, how do I do this exactly? Wait. I have an idea. This idea. Yeah. Oh, wait. What is this room? Washing room? Okay. Oh. Washer? Clean? Okay. Oh! And, what? Touch? What the? Oh! Item? But I don't have an item. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my, I had to do this all over again. Oh my, okay, Aaron. Aaron. Flex. I need to buy something, dude. Is there a shop here? Or like anything that I can like get? Telescope. Whoa. Check wall? Washer! Can I please? Oh! Thank you. Check wall. What does check wall mean? Like this wall? Check wall. Did I click on something? I honestly have no idea, dude. I honestly have no idea. Like, what does check wall mean? Hold up. Like, I do not know what check wall is. Wait, what? Like, what is this? Like, I don't know what to do here. It says check wall, but I don't see anything. Like, what is check wall supposed to mean? Like, whoa! I have no idea. I have no idea. Like, what? Oh, check wall. I get it. Okay. Oh. Alright, let's go. Oh no. Crap. No, I'm dead. Oh my god, bruh. Okay, thank god. It's like a point deal. This is gonna be hard though. Like that spear. He's gonna. I'm dead. Dodge! Dodge, challenger! Dodge, fan! No! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! No! I might be dead here, but. Oh! Oh. Well, I can't move. Oh, I'm dead. He's right next to me. The kid! Oh my god! Oh my god. Dude, the kid saved me. Oh my god. Yes, I did see me. Nah, but I'm gonna die though. Oh, safely. Alright, crystal. Hello, sons. Telescope. I guess so. What? There's nothing there. What's in the box? What's in the box? Okay, hold on. What's in that room? Who is this person? Store. Store. What's here? Box. Under the box. Oh. Hello. Okay. Alright. Okay, I'll buy 2. Okay. Yes, I'll take code. How does it appeal like that? Duck? I see a duck. What is this place? What, like, is this place? This is like Yellowstone National Park, if I'm trying to describe it. Oh. Okay. Oh my. Moat Small, why are you here? I just have to do that. Like, what is this place? I honestly have no idea. Like, where to go? Where to take this? Oh. Okay, I can't go beneath this line. Aaron Flex, I guess. Okay, Aaron is gonna flee. They won't attack the same spot, right? Oh my god! What time is it right now? Oh, okay. Oh my god. I'm trying to stay determined, okay? Oh, I'm at the same spot, but need me some nice cream. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna get 2. Just 2. I'm gonna save it, cause why not? I'll save it, I guess. I don't really need the punch codes, I guess. Okay. I honestly have no idea what to do in this area. Big wheel. Okay. But I honestly have no. Zero gold. Wow. What is this room? Oh, I think I could go up. What is that thing? Yo, please, don't touch me. What the? Oh no. It's the creature. Okay. Onion skin. Okay, onion. It's an onion. What? Okay. Okay. Alright. Alright. Whoa. Okay. Oh. Siren. Smile. What? What? Okay. Hear me. What the? Yeah, babe. Okay. Okay. What? Okay, so, O X QIT. Okay, hold up. Okay. I honestly have no idea what to do here. I'm just gonna search it up, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so I gotta. Okay. Can I go in? Ooh! Artifact. I'll take it. Dog. What? What do you mean? How do I carry it? How do I like? What's like? How do I see my inventory? ESC. No, that's quit. Is it tab? Maybe. Item stat. Okay. Annoying dog. Okay. Oh. What? Whoa. Whoa. Dog. Bro. Come on. I'm kidding, bro. I'm kidding. Alright, let's see here. What? Hello? Statue? Okay. Fireworks? I'll take an umbrella. Umbrella. Are these poisonous? Yo? Yeah? Why didn't you get an umbrella? That's what I wonder. Like, there was an umbrella back there. Oh, I'm dead. Okay. He's following me, I guess. What? Okay. Ooh, what is this place? Ooh, I like it. That castle looks sick. I'm being real. For real. See, why don't you get a jacket? I guess. Okay. Well, you fell again. Okay, save. Bridge. Okay. What's... So this is the way to Undyne? Oh, no. What is that? What is... Oh, no. Seems pretty easy enough. Seems pretty easy. Yes. No. That's dead end. Crap. Run. Oh, where do I go? No. I'm dead. I might be dead. Oh my god. I don't even know how to beat this. Like, literally. How? Just how? I have no idea what to do here. God. Like, what do I do here? That's a question. Jen. Oh no. Oh crap. Oh no. Whoa. Whoa. Well, come on. Undyne, please. Well. Oh. Ow, no. Where am I? Oh. Yes. Okay. Okay. What's the... What is this stuff? Like... I have no idea. Oh, save point. Thank you. Okay. Ooh, bicycle. Ooh, yo. That's ooh, okay. Dummy. Okay. I'll take one. I'll take another one. DVD case for an anime? What anime is it? Is it dummy? I guess. Oh. Well, I'm going up, I guess. What? Oh my. Well. I hope it didn't ruin my pacifist run. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. No. No. Talk? Come on. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. So that's how I do it? Talk, please. What? You ain't gonna defeat me. Get him, my boys. You will never cross the barrier. Dummy. That song is actually pretty good, I'm finna be honest. Nice play. Okay. Oh! Whoa, what was that? Come on, just talk, please. You don't need a name. Oh my god. I'm gonna take one, I guess. Futile. 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 I just gotta keep on hitting them. I gotta keep on hitting him. Futile, futile, futile. Get him, boys. Come on, please. Talk. You mad? Free ball, free ball, free ball. Come on, hit him. And get. You had him. You had him. What the? Why is it moving like that? It moved like it was gonna laugh, but just talk. Okay. I only got. They do 5 health. Oh my god! Dude, those are missiles! Boom. Oh! Boom. No way! Okay, you got knives. You out of knives? Why is it moving like that, bud? Oh! Napis Luke! Oh my god! Napis Luke! Napis Luke. It's I, dude. Hello. Oh no. Okay. Why? Okay. I'm gonna get more of this. Oh, it's empty now, I guess. Okay. Alright. Determination. Is it this one? Hello. Oh, yeah, I came. What's this one? Golden? Okay. Good. Jingle! Oh my god, it's Jingle Bells! Let's see what this one is. Smoke Wave? Okay, I'll play it. Okay. Computer. Okay. TV. Okay. Fridge. I guess. Oh, okay. The DJ ghost. Okay. Yeah, I'll try it. okay. I mean, it's delicious. Okay. I guess so. Okay. I okay. What's in this house? Okay. Here. Hello? Awkward. Snail. Oh, okay. What? That's the main customer. Okay. Oh. Okay, done the snail. Okay. Alright. Okay. Come on. Go, boy. I wish the 10 gold. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh my god, bro. I accidentally pressed the enter again. The snail doing? What's over here? Bots? I don't need all this. Not going to do. Ooh. Crab apple. Crab apple. Alright. Okay. What's this? Hello. Yes, so good. Hello, thank you for the path. Another path. Down here. Another one. Oh, we have to eat another one. Tammy? Tammy? Please. What the hell? Hawk? Hello. What the? Oh. 10? Oh, he did. What the Tenny? What? Who is that? 10E. Alright. Okay. Oh. Wait, this. Mitty? Ew. Whoa. That is not more small. Item. Action food. slime sounds. Slime sounds. Body bag. Goo. Giggity giggity goo. Crap. Okay. Well, I'm low health. If I do get into a battle, I'm just gonna wet all those things. Nice tree. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, I was so close! Yeah, I'm gonna do this another time.